Good afternoon, YouTube, and welcome to the channel. Today we got my truck out of the way. We got the big white Duramax out of the way. My buddy's over. He has his 7.3 Power Stroke in the garage, and we are debadging it and doing bed liner on the lower section of the body. So I'm gonna get some time lapses rolling, and I'll meet up with you guys after that. Let's go check on it first. All right, guys, we got all the badging off both sides. And the bottom half was really hard to get off. It was goo everywhere, so we took a wire wheel on this side and it cleaned up nice. But we're gonna paint over it anyway, so that doesn't matter. And so now we gotta clean it with alcohol, tape it off, paint it, and I'll get a time lapse going, you'll see that. All right, guys, if you were gonna do this, you're gonna need to sand it down with, I'm using 80 grit. And we're just doing from that line right there down. But first, that's a vinyl wrap kind of line thing. So we're gonna have to peel that off, sand it, tape it off, and then we're gonna get painting. So we're gonna cut to that right here. got it all painted. We got the tape. We're gonna peel it off, see how good it came out. Alright guys, we got this side done. We gotta do the other side next, so I'm not gonna video that part because you already know how it works. We did a bunch of coats, and it was gonna be $750 to get this professionally done, and it cost about $30 for the cans and the tape and stuff, so I think it's a pretty good job for as cheap as it was, and 750 bucks would not have been much better than this. And it looks a lot better than the gray. It blends a lot better, especially when we get the new wheels and tires on there. It's gonna be sick. So this is what it looks like up close. It's got a nice textured surface, and we got a pretty good in the door line too. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like before we paint. We sanded it with the 80 grit, so it's all scratched up and rough. We got the line, and right here, the factory line like dropped, so we went up with the tape a little bit, and it's all uniform distance. So we're gonna paint this. It's gonna look good, and then I'll catch up with you guys after that. Both sides are done. We did this part right here too, because that was all red before, the color of the truck. And then we got the whole side cleaned up really good. And this would have been $750 at a shop, and it cost us like 30 bucks. So I'm happy with it. The guy inside's happy with it. I think it looks really good. A lot better than the stock colors. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Alright guys, that is gonna do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you bedliner your truck with the information from this video, I hope it helped you guys. Thank you for watching. As always, make sure to like, subscribe, really helps me out. Subscribe if you're not already. If you're already, you can't do it again. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you until next time.